A planetary nebula is a type of astronomical structure that appears when a sun-like star enters the final phase of its life. Here are the main points you need to know about planetary nebulae. 1. Origin and name. The term, planetary nebula, can be misleading, as these structures have nothing to do with planets. The name was given by astronomers in the 18th century because, through the rudimentary telescopes of the time, some planetary nebulae looked like nebulous disks similar to planets. 2. Training. Planetary nebulae form when a sun-like star exhausts its nuclear fuel, hydrogen, in the core. During this phase, the star undergoes an expansion process in which its outer layers are thrown into space, forming a shell of gas and dust around the remaining core of the star. 3. Remaining core. The remaining core of the star is called a white dwarf. It is an extremely dense and hot star that is no longer in the process of nuclear fusion. The energy given off by the remaining core is what ionizes the gas and makes the planetary nebula glow. 4. Structure and appearance. Planetary nebulae have varied, often spectacular shapes, which can include rings, jets, cascades, and other complex features. The variety of shapes is due to the interaction between stellar winds, magnetic fields, and other physical factors during the star's expansion phase. 5. Brightness and colors. Planetary nebulae glow due to the ultraviolet radiation emitted by the white dwarf's core and the ionization of the surrounding gas. The colors of planetary nebulae are determined by the chemical composition of the ionized gas and the way the light is scattered. 6. Lifetime. The planetary nebula stage is relatively short in astronomical terms, usually lasting only a few thousand years. After this phase, the nebula gradually disperses into space, while the white dwarf continues to cool over billions of years. 7. Famous examples. Some famous planetary nebulae include the Cat's Eye Nebula, NGC 6543, the Butterfly Nebula, NGC 6302, and the Helix Nebula, NGC 7293. Planetary nebulae are fascinating because they reveal the final processes of stellar evolution, showing how stars like the Sun age and cast part of themselves into space, enriching the interstellar medium with elements created in its core during its active life.